issued upon kay kung open na daya that gadlaga na daya ang fair competition, whoever is most qualified ako to be honest diri ang interest kay we must make sure nga basit next month madugang ang slots or inning 70 it will be issued hastily, so we really have to find a way to say whether or not kaya tapay accommodate na or hindi.
Sir, follow-up ko lang, akagina sa Councilor Sarabia, nakamuno siya nga during sa budget hearing bala, dapat open siya. Will you support that nga may ara kita sa other mga sectors nga maka-join during the budget deliberation?
Why not? It's a committee hearing, no? So all the sectors relating thereto should be invited, no? And appreciate that coming from the chairman of the committee. Kaya siya man yung issues ang aga-determine kung saan i-tackle ang particular budget, sinong imbitado dira, and if the co-chair would like to do that, that really just opens the possibility, the importance of transparency and accountability in governance no, kung ara ang mga stakeholders.
Sa previous nga hearing last year, for example, Councilor, nakahimo yun na or why pa man?
I can't say kaya I'm not in many of the attendance pero kung invited kita and even kami as councilor were given the whole list of the departments, we make sure nga kung ang departamental pertaining to our committees or budget are being tackled, then we also try to make sure nga kami gotten or a representation thereof. No, pero dako nga bagay kung i-open na sa aton nga chair mas mayo. No, for example, if they're tackling markets, kung ara man ang mga market vendors, kung if they're tackling traffic or transport, ara man ang aton mga transport sector, mas maintindihan nga ang may muna ang budget o kulang ang budget. That's always something that we can help people understand.
Okay, thank you.